Hey guys, welcome. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kim. I blog at Salvaged Living, where I do lots of easy DIY and home decor for life and home redeemed. I love to show you guys easy and affordable ways to make your home cozy and fun, especially for the holidays. This project in particular is so simple, and it's brought to you by Rustoleum. Rustoleum Imagine has tons of fun spray paints that you can use this holiday season. They've got glitter, shimmer, chrome, and metallic spray paints that you can use to make over old decor into something new and fun. Or like what I'm going to show you today, you can take a couple dollar store items and make them into really gorgeous decor to mix in with your older home decor or older holiday decor. So there's just a few simple steps to get this project going, and I'm going to show them to you right now in this video. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here and make sure you hit that bell. Tell me what you like about this project in the comments, ask questions if you have any, and thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Let's get started. Okay guys, what did you think? Tell me your favorite part about that project. It was really simple, wasn't it? I hope it's something that you'll try, and if you do, make sure and tag me and let me know about it. Once again, if you liked this project and want to see more simple, easy DIY, then make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you get those notifications when new projects come your way. Thanks so much, bye.